I just want to give a update on our new potato bed. And this is just a reminder for the lazy gardeners out there like me. These potatoes that I planted are already growing. So these are potato sprouts right here. They're already popping up. Let's look for some more. Yep, right here as well. See that? That's potatoes. Potatoes. Those are potatoes. Potatoes. And potatoes. Right, so we already have potatoes growing. I threw those things in, I don't know how long ago. Not too long ago. I have not watered them once. They've been rained on a few times. That's about it. So for the lazy gardeners out there, you like potatoes, here's some right here as well. You like potatoes, they are easy to grow. I am not a great gardener and they make me look like a pro. I think that just rhymed. And we'll check on the potatoes over here as well. Like, check these out. Look how good these look. These are all potatoes. All potatoes. They're looking amazing. And I did nothing. I did nothing here. This is all their work. Here's 2 rows right here, potatoes. And here are 2 more rows right here. Check out these potatoes. Uh-oh, potato slug. There's a slug right there. That's not good. But yeah, these things, I'll just take it off. Take the leaf off and put it over there. These potatoes are looking great. Look at that. Whole row right there. All potatoes. All of this, potatoes. Potatoes. Is it too many potatoes? Yeah, it's way too many potatoes. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with all these potatoes once they're ready to be harvested. Thank goodness I staggered some of them. They won't be harvested at the same time. Yeah, look, here's the morning glory vine growing up on them. If I let it grow too much, then they get really hard to pull off. So I got to get them while they're young, and I've got to pull them out while they are easy to pull out and not strong and thick vines, because then they'll actually really tear up the potato plants when I pull them out as well. So gotta pull these out as soon as they're sprouting. Oh, okay. Potato check. Potato check-in number, I don't know. Let's get these vines off. But yeah, potatoes are doing great. I hope if you're looking for an easy win in the garden this year and you have the space, you go with potatoes, because it is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, potato update done.